Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome students. Hope you all are well. Okay students, let's start our new lesson which is about how matter can change its states. Okay. So it's mean matter can change its state. Matter is classified into how many forms? Three forms. Okay, number one is solid, second one is liquid, and the third one is gas. Okay, so substances remain solid, liquid, or gas at certain temperatures. Okay, so it's mean at specific temperature. If the temperature remains same, we are not changing the temperature, then the solid will remain solid, liquid will remain liquid, and the gas will remain liquid. As you see in your normal room temperature, chair will remain chair. Okay, there is no change in the chair. Okay, it remains solid. Water, it remains water, and the gas, the air, oxygen which is present around you, it remain gas, because you are not changing the temperature. Okay, so it's mean when we change the temperature, then these shapes, these will change. Okay, so solid will change into another state. Okay, so how they change? If we change the temperature, how we change the temperature? We change the temperature when by heating. Okay, when you heat anything, you increase the temperature. Okay, so when you cooled anything, then it's mean you decrease the temperature. So by increasing or decreasing the temperature, these states of matter can change. Okay, they can change their form. Okay, for example, when ice, you see ice, what is ice? Ice, it is a solid. Okay, you see the cubes of ice, they are solid. Okay, at fixed temperature. When you change the temperature, okay, for example, when ice, a solid, is heated, when you heat the ice cube, what will happen? You see what will happen? You see it changes to water. Now the ice cube will not remain the solid, it will change its state. Now it is changes to water. Water is not a solid, it is liquid. Okay, so when you continuously heat, okay, when you heat the water, it changes to water vapor, a gas. So it's mean by changing the temperature, the state of matter will change. You take a ice cube, it is solid, you heat it, it will change its form to liquid. Okay, water. Okay, water is a liquid. If you again heat the liquid, then what will happen? This liquid water, it will change to third form of the matter, which is called gas. So on a specific temperature, solid will remain solid, liquid will remain liquid, and the gas will remain gas. But if you change the temperature by increasing or decreasing the temperature, the states of matter will change. Okay, so how a change of state occurs? Heating makes the particle in a substance move faster and knock each other further apart. Okay, students, we know this thing that either solid, liquid, and gas, they are made up of atoms. Okay, so in solid, these atoms are tightly packed. They are tightly packed, they are very close to each other, their bonding is very strong. Okay, they are tightly and they cannot easily freely move. Okay, when you heat up the solid, then what will happen? The particles, when you heat them, they gain energy. Okay, when they gain energy, they break the bond which is present the particles, and now they are free. Okay, when they free, they move. So when they move, they will not remain solid. Now they are no more solid. Now they change their state. Now they change to liquid state. Okay, so it's mean by heating you give them energy. Okay, so when we gain energy, then when they gain energy they do something, they vibrate. Okay, they vibrate, they move, they vibrate faster and faster. When they vibrate, they break the attraction which is present between the particles. Okay, now they break that bond and now they are free, and they, when they free, once they free, they move freely. Okay, when they move freely, now they are change their states. Okay, now they are liquid. So as they begin to move around freely, a change of state occurs. For example, when a solid such as ice is heated, its particles begin to move faster. Eventually they move so fast that they move away from each other. As they begin to move around more freely, the ice melts. Okay, because when they gain energy, they move freely, they vibrate, and they, now they are not closely packed, they move apart from each other, and now ice cube will change into liquid. Now ice will melt. It changed to liquid water and no longer has a fixed shape, because we know this thing that liquid has no fixed shape. Okay, so you see on the screen, when you heat the solid, then what will happen? Solid will melt. Okay, solid will melt. Now it will change into liquid, which is water. Okay, so when a liquid such as water is heated, its particles move faster. Some of the particles knock each other so far apart that they form bubble inside the liquid. These bubbles rise to the surface of the liquid and escape into the air. They form the gas, water, vapors. Okay, you see, when you boil the water, what will happen? Steam will form. You see, you can do this experiment in your home. Okay, you take up the solid, that is ice cube. When you heat it, you see it will change into liquid. When you continuously heat that water, then bubbles will come out from that water. It's mean by gaining energy, the liquid particles move very fast and now they change into bubbles and they change into gas, vapors. Okay, water vapors. Now their state is change. Okay, they are no more liquid, they are now gas. Okay, so it's mean by changing temperature, the states of matter change. Solid change into liquid and liquid change into gas, because due to heating or cooling, the arrangement of particles will change. Okay, so these states of matter depend upon the arrangement of particles. Thank you. In next lesson, I will tell you in detail about the melting, freezing, boiling and evaporation. Okay, thank you.